This question says, in 7 given numbers, the average of first 4 numbers is 5 and that of last 4 numbers is also 5. If the average of these 7 numbers is 4, what is the fourth number? To solve this, first let's suppose these 7 numbers be A, B, C, D, E, F and G. These are our required 7 numbers. Okay, the average of first 4 numbers, that is A plus B plus C plus D whole divided by 4 is 5, or A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 20. Similarly, the average of last 4 numbers is also 5. Last 4 is D, E, F, G. Okay, so D plus E plus F plus G. Same way it will also be 20. And the average of these 7 numbers is 4. That is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G whole divided by 7 is equals to 4, or A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G is equals to 28. This is our now we will add these two equations. From here we can get A plus B plus C plus D, and then again one more D plus D plus E plus F plus G. This is 40. Okay, 20 plus 20. And from here we get A, B, C, D, E, F. That sum is equals to 28. So that is A, B, C, D. Excluding this, we have all the 7 numbers whose sum is 28, and we have left with one D. So this is our left hand side, and right hand side we have 40. So D is equals to 40 minus 28, or D is 12. Okay, so the question is asking the fourth number, and D is our fourth number. This is the answer.